Well, I just left Walmart. I had to make a run out here to get me some Simple Green for my ultrasonic cleaner, clean some carburetors. And man, oh man, it's a beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees, but the wind is blowing a lot. But if you guys want to see this Goldwing out in the sun, man, look at that orange color. Woo! Thing looks so good. Really, really nice looking bike. In the sun, that orange looks even that much better. I mean, it looks good in the shade, but looks even better out in the sun. I'm just going to do a little short video. I'm going to just ride up from here. I got to get some gas, and I'll probably call it good for the video. Sounds like I'm out of breath, don't it? It's kind of hard to breathe inside the helmet. But bike is running beautifully. I need to reset my clock after I put my new battery in, because my clock is off. But I tell you what, after all the work I've done on this bike, this thing just runs amazing. I had to go to the doctor this morning for a checkup, and gave me a clean bill of health, said I was doing really good. For a 65-year-old man, he says my numbers all look excellent, so I'm happy with that. But anyway, I had to take it out on the interstate, and man, oh man, that's where this bike shines. I'm telling you, going down the interstate 70, 75, maybe even a little bit faster at times, this thing just floats. It's amazing. Such a smooth ride. I just love it. I raised my windshield all the way up, hoping to block some of the some of the wind. I think it did help a little bit, because I had it all the way down when I left this morning. That Simple Green, I don't know if you guys have ever used it. I'm sure you have. It's very popular, and I use it in my ultrasonic cleaner machine, and I've got my carburetors just about ready. I got to start taking them apart. I got them pulled out of my GL1800 Goldwing, and I'm going to run them through that cleaner and clean them up real good. So if you guys haven't seen my GL1800 videos, I'm just starting in it. You can hop on along and check out the progress. I'm only 2 or 3 videos in at this point, so that means that I've owned the GL1800, which I'm riding now, GL1500, and now the GL1200. Believe it or not, I was looking at a GL1100. I just don't want to get too much on my plate. But man, there's a GL1100 not too far from me. It's in pretty decent shape, but pretty cheap. So if it's still around after I'm done with my 1200, I might check that one out. Kind of see what all the worlds of Goldwings are like. It's been fun on that 1200. It doesn't have as much plastic on it as these newer bikes do. Still got a pretty amazing amount of electronics and stuff on it though. I had to sort out the fuel pump, and I was kind of concerned about that until I got a book and read a little bit about it, and found out that it sends impulses. It doesn't have a constant pump to it, of course, because I guess you wouldn't want all that pressure constantly. It'd end up flooding it or leaking or something. So I don't know how that all works. I didn't get that much into it, but I ended up fixing it, getting it to where it was working, and I'm glad about that, because It does have some electronic parts on that controls that, which kind of concerned me as far as dependability goes, because if you lose your gas flow, it's not going to run. I like gravity feed a lot better. Now, you have a regular standard pump on fuel injection. I trust those more because those are tried and true and proven. This pump, I know they did it for 84, 5, 6, and 7, so 4 years. I don't know how many other bikes they used it on, but oh, this bike is just so smooth and powerful. I love it. I gotta stop and get me some gas. See where I'm getting close to E. All my information reset, I guess. Looks like my trip meter's at 30 miles. That's what I went today, I guess, so far. So I have to reset stuff. The clock being off kind of bugs me. I'll fix that as soon as I get some gas here. My new vent seems to be working really well. It does seem like it just very ever so slightly opens up from the wind. It doesn't seal completely. I don't know if they all do that or not, but that's only a $20 vent. But it seems to be pretty good quality for $20, to tell you the truth. I'm gonna stop here and get me some gas and buy me an iced tea. I haven't had one yet today. I had to fast before I went to my doctor's appointment, so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop it here. I appreciate you guys coming along and watching for this short ride. I just wanted to update you on some things and let you know about that GL1800 project. So, if you haven't seen it, check out Herbies Garage videos on that. I've got a lot on this bike, on the 1500 and on the 1200, in case you're new to my channel. Alright, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.